Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to find your promo code in TikTok Shop. So to find your promo code here in TikTok Shop, it's pretty simple. So the first thing is go to your TikTok, go to your shop, and if you see this in the top, as you can see, new customer, you can claim that as your coupon code if you're a new user. So if you want to actually find more promo codes and you're not a new user, go to any browser, Safari, Chrome, Opera, and then just search here, coupon follow. Search TikTok in the top right corner and it'll give you TikTok Shop promo codes and coupons. So this will update, of course, every once in a while, per month, per week, and depending on the promos running. So as you can see, all you have to do is actually just see the details right here, and you can copy this and redeem it in your TikTok Shop. So this will also vary from country to country, but if you're in the US, you're going to be in luck because you can actually use that right here. So as you can see, it'll even redirect you to your own TikTok Shop once you use the code. So as you can see, that took a little while when it did. So here, you just scroll down and find one for yourself. So that's how you find your promo codes in TikTok Shop. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.